always united by our music, our stories, our bond, our triumph, and our culture. 30 strong years of joining forces in showcasing the Filipino talent and spirit around the globe. Dahil saan man sa mundo, tayo ay iisa sa puso, sa diwa at adhikayang ipagmalaki ang ating bayan. Kaya sa bawat matitinding hamon, sama-sama din tayong lumalaban, nagdadamayan at umaahon. This 2025, as we continue our milestone celebration, we bring the ASAP 30 experience from Birmingham in England to Vancouver in Canada. We are one with you, Kapamilya. We are one in showcasing the unstoppable Pinoy excellence, solidarity, and resilience. We are one in giving service to the world.
Kahit matindi po yung hamon na pinagdaanan namin dito sa Canada, nanatili kaming matatag, malakas para sa aming mga pamilya sa Pilipinas. Kaya mabuhay mga Pilipino!
We're excited sila ASAP Pamilya Celebrity here at Vancouver. ASAP, happy anniversary! Welcome to Vancouver!
Anniversary sa inyo, ASAP 30. Makikiselebrate kami!
Today, let's come together and celebrate the best global Pinoys in entertainment from the Philippines and Canada. At the Pacific Coliseum Hastings Park, get ready for the biggest Pinoy Pride gathering in North America. This is ASAP in Vancouver.
Maraming beses ikaw naman kaya ang babalaman. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat! Are you guys ready? Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. No place in the world like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home. I walk the streets of San Francisco. I try to rise in this morning. I dated a million girls, but somehow I feel like I don't belong. Hinahanap kita, Manila. Ang ingay mong kaisarap sa kaya mga chini mong naginig para mga babae o nagkaganda. I'll take you back in your arms, Manila. Sing with me, baby! Promise me to never let go, Manila. I'll miss you like hell, Manila. No place in the world like Manila, baby. I'm coming home to stay. Ano ba, girl? Dito muna ako. What's up? Hello mga kapamilya. Nami-miss sila ba ang Maynila? At di ba kami na ang bahala magdala ng Maynila sa inyo at buong Pilipinas. Kasama ninyo ang all-star ASAP Kapamilya, Mr. G. Velasquez Alcance.